Finishing product of my curry chicken. Take a good look. See that? Yes guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my video. What's up guys, y'all miss me? So today I'll be showing you guys how I prepared, or what, prepared, whichever the word, 30 pounds of curry chicken. Yes guys, I'm working with leg and thighs. They are not clean as yet, so I'm about to clean my chicken and wash them into vinegar water. Wait for it guys, sit back, relax and wait. And I'm about to cut them up now, and then after I cut them up I'm gonna put them in the vinegar water. Okay. Yes guys, please guys, when you watch my video, please don't just watch them, please subscribe, like and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my video. Yes guys, thank you for watching. My chicken is cut up. You see the size, there are small sizes. And I'm about to pour some vinegar. Guys, I'm gonna make my chicken soak in this water for approximately 5 minutes. See the size? Let it stay and soak. I'm going to say this is 30 pounds of chicken, and I'm doing curry chicken today. I already did the brown stew chicken, I did fried chicken, so today I'll be doing curry chicken. Chicken is now washed and I'm about to season my chicken. So I'll go ahead by pouring a little garlic powder. Then some onion powder. I like to use these powder seasoning. I don't know about you guys, but I still use a natural seasoning. I use a little tip of ginger, a little parsley, thyme, add in some thyme, and guys, don't forget it's curry chicken, so we have to put our curry on it. Some chicken season. I'm using Ocherius chicken season today, guys, and trust me, I use Ocherius or Maggi, so it doesn't matter, it still give me a good taste. And today I'll be using better flavor. Sometimes I use the Blue Mountain curry also. I like to use the Blue Mountain curry though, it's more richer than this one, but it just comes in smaller package because I do a lot of cooking, so I just buy the better flavor. But if you know what you are doing, everything comes out perfect, you know. So look at this guys, I'm going to tip a little tip of oil on this, because when you pour the oil on it, it helps to dissolve the curry. I don't know if a lot of you guys know that, but today y'all will learn something from me. So I'm gonna go by rubbing my chicken together. And guys, I'm also going to pour a little oil in the pot, and we haven't reached that part yet, but I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna pour a little oil into my pot and put some curry in it also, you know, put a little curry with my pepper and all of that. so it can bring up a little flavor. You know? So somebody there. So when I cut up the chicken, I look a little bit, and I 30 pound of chicken. Put that. I'm gonna put this into a container. Some pepper and pimento. I'm also adding some curry. I like my curry rich, you know. I don't know about you know. But girl curry is rich. You know my name? Boy, I'm not like my father name it a mistake when he give me the name of curry. No, so girl, we are gonna come out good now and I cook it now. You see the guys? Yeah. Let's put some in, man. Don't sleep on curry kitchen. You hear me? I want to know? Yeah. You can see, guys, I add my chicken to the pot. I'm going to cover it a little so you can spring some water to itself. And then once the curry just spring its own water. You don't know that. You have to cover it so it sweats. And spring some water. You know, I mean, like beat the pot side, so you know, not extra. I had some water to it. I need a thicker spoon because I need so much chicken. Trust me. Worries! So let's still garlic. I'm going to throw in my seasoning now. I like putting the carrot and the potato and everything because I like when it cook with the chicken. So the chicken not overcook. You know? My phone is dying. I can't believe I only have like 5%. So as you can see, my carrot, onion, bell pepper, scallion is here. And my thyme. I'm about to put them into the pot. Yes guys, and please don't forget to like my videos, comment and subscribe. Also share my videos. Got that, guys. See that? My phone I did. So guys, I'm gonna just mix these through. Then I'm gonna cover my pot. And then I'll come back with the finishing product, okay? I need a thicker spoon. I need to buy one. So when I'm cooking this amount of chicken. And yes guys, today is Tuesday. As you all know, I do party named Bossy Tuesday and cookouts. So every Tuesday I'll be showing you different dishes that I make. Get into it. Cut that. It's not finished as yet, but I'm just showing you. This is 30 pounds of chicken. How much you can cook this? Just watch my video and follow the instruction, and you can't go wrong. I'm cooking a lot of stuff today, but I'm only showing you guys how I do my fried chicken. You know, I'm almost finished though. I'm about to do some French fried chicken, and then that's it. So just have like a few more minutes to go, then you'll get the finishing product. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Guys, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Yes guys. Yes. See that? Look at this guys. Yes. Woo! I love me some curry chicken. Yes, I do. Finishing product of my curry chicken. Take a good look. See that? Yes guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my video. Yes guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.